yeah guys, once again I'm back like I never left. So guys, we basically walking in one of Kimberley's most busiest road ever, Detroit. If you know that road, you know Kimberley. So busy walking in Detroit, just came from the doctor's appointment. Yeah guys, just living life like I'm already there, but hey, I'm down there. So yeah guys, cars are passing by. Here's where the most fanciest cars you can get passing by here. Alright guys, I don't want to lie to you. Here you can see the most fanciest cars. Just to put that in, show you guys one of the fanciest. Just a posted cars now. But yeah guys, stay tuned. You guys know what I do. I just walk around in the roads of Kimberley and I show you guys the cars that pass. So guys, let's check the cars that are passing. Something easy, something slight, something easy. No fancy cars yet passing by. Yeah guys, check the Jetto. Which one is this one? Is that Dashing? Yeah, Dashing SUV, Chevrolet parking, Toyota Corolla. Some basic cars that you're passing by. And by the way guys, I'm heading to the mall right now. It's Diamond Pavilion. It's where we usually go to fancy things, buying clothing, having a great time whatsoever. So I'm heading to that mall. We go see what those mall has for us, the cars and whatsoever. So yeah guys, stay tuned. GD6. So GD6 guys are Raider GD6. We have several lit over there. We have beautiful mommies passing by. But they are not our stores now. Golf 6 GTR. Yeah guys, today is like 33 degrees in Kimberley. Just walking in the sun guys, so bear with me as we're heading to the mall. So I'm about to walk an hour probably guys in this hot sun. The time it's 4:45. The date is the 4th of December. So this December guys, no partying, strictly work, strictly content. Strictly content. Giving guys strictly content guys. And I'm doing it different, by the way. I'm doing it different. As you guys know, a lot of guys that do this type of videos are the guys that are doing it for their mommies, the one with the big nyas. Hi guys, I'm doing it for the cars. So yeah. Oh, almost fell though. Right. Let's stay tuned. I'll probably update you guys again when I'm in a different street. So yeah guys, love. Hi guys, as you guys can see now, I'm on one of the most beautiful roads. In the city. This is one of the most beautiful roads in Kimberley. The ones who want to argue with me, content creations, guys that are doing their thing on Facebook, whatsoever, on all social media, comment down below if I'm lying, if that's not the most beautiful street, road, whatever in Kimberley. I'm ready for the debate. Aye. First car, Hyundai. Which one is this i10? It's a Atos. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it properly, but it's what I saw. ATOS. Atos. Beautiful houses, Baba. Beautiful houses. In this road alone, you will feel like you're in Jersey. You won't even feel like you're in Kimberley. Yo guys, content creation, I'm loving it. Yeah. I want to lie, not getting paid, but hey. Toyota Fortuner, young lady driving it. 2.8 GD6. Say less. It's a 2.8 GD6. Yo guys, just look how beautiful the street is. Look at the houses. Look at the trees. I mean, just passing in the street, man, you already feel like you made it. Imagine living in it. Say less. If you don't pray to God, You won't enjoy it. So yeah, I'm a rock. This one is a plain one. It's not a V6, but I think it's the 4Motion. Yeah, it's the 4Motion. Just the light cars that are passing. Yeah. We are the big machines. Here canto, here picanto, here picanto. Yo guys, I can't believe it. I'm walking in the street. Yeah. That's my chance. Yeah. I'm taking chances. Hey. Yeah, and FEW, they just know how to. Look at the LED. Look at the LED lights, guys. Look at the LED lights. Polo TSI. Polo TSI. It's what our girls cheat on us. Guys driving this car. If your friend is driving this and you're on your feet, just know it's looking at your mommy. I didn't say it, no? You heard it on the news article. Subaru. This is the SUV. Yeah, it's not looking nice for me. And then we have this is my friend's favorite car, Kia Rio. Kia Rio. He's gonna comment down below and be like, hi, Rio Baba. Okay, now we're looking at one of South Africa's classics. This is the Opel Corsa Paki. Well respected though, well respected in the country. Well respected in the country. Thank you for the greet. You see guys. I told you guys, patience is key. Patience is key. Patience is key. Patience is key. Mini Cooper. Yo, I love content, guys. Cars, I love it. JD6 legend. Supernet. The Supernet. Easy Volkswagen. This is like the Golf 7, but it's not a GTI, guys. If you know what I'm saying. Like the baby brother, the Golf GTI. It's a diesel. We're looking at the Isuzu KT. We're looking at the Peugeot passing by. Easy guys. We're looking at the Toyota. Guys, I don't want to stand close to people's cars. Toyota. I don't know. Help me. Don't judge me. Polo. These ones. Anywhere you go, you can go to the most richest neighborhoods. As I said in one of my videos, any neighborhood and every neighborhood has this car. Comment down below if I'm lying. Hi, Jaguar. A Jaguar. A Jaguar. A Jaguar. A Jaguar. Pray, guys, pray. You guys don't pray enough. That's why you're on your feet. Pray to God fast. As you guys can see, easy. We have checker 60 second. Passing easy by. Hola. One guy looking very dangerous. Looking very dangerous. But hey, mustn't be scared of them. Do your hustle. Any place is dangerous. But just know, when you're crying, when you go through your pain, again, you will thank me later. I love this neighborhood. It's actually my father's favorite neighborhood in Kimberley, by the way. I used to like it because I'm broke, that's why I like it. But you should be happy for other people. Hello, Smam, how are you? Good. I like it. Guys, also stop commenting down below. What? Stand up and run also. I'm running as well. It's just not I'm out of breath. I'm used to it. So yeah. Yo guys, just feeling so happy though, but I just wanna calm the spirit down. They say if you get too excited, unexpected things happen. It's and I don't know which one is this one. I-20, that one just passed. BMW. I think it's a 3 Series, that's if I'm not mistaken. It's a 3 Series. Oh, 330i. And it's a Jetta passing there. Which one is that one, man? Please, man. Which one? I think it's the X3, guys, the new one, yeah. Funny enough, I hate the X3, the model that they released now recently. Yeah, nah. Can't say I'm a police officer living here, but hey, who are we to judge? Beautiful palm trees. Say less. Say less. Say less. Some nice vehicles. Hey, which one is this one? Legend 50, Baba. It's that side of the road, so I need to zoom in. It's the extended cap. The Legend 50 passing by. Oh, so this is basically a guest house, guys. I thought it's a police officer that is living there. Oh, it's a guest house. Okay, to my guys all over South Africa coming by in the city of Kimberley. Though I'm not the ambassador of Kimberley, I wish I was, but I'm not. But basically what I'm doing, I am an ambassador. Hey guys, sorry, my pardon, I'm an ambassador. So guys, basically, hey, look at this one. I want to come stamp me now, I want to bump me. What's going on now, sir? What's going on? What's going on now? But as I'm saying, guys, I am basically an ambassador for Kimberley. So yeah, guys, I have love for the city though. Even though some people are just trying to bring one person down, they don't see the other person's hustle, but still keep on the grind. Let them see like, yo, this guy is unstoppable, man. We're trying to stop him, but it's not working. Fiesta. Pull up, pull up. Ford Ranger, it's having a trailer. Ford Ranger. A trailer, easy. Oh, look, I was going even over the portal, like the portal never even existed. Hey, my guy, like music. And iX35. And sorry, I just forgot to zoom in. There's my guy turning. Easy, bro. Shout out to you. Hello. Guys, I bet you we can even go to Senton. We was Fanga Polo 3.0 D4D. Those buggies were released in early 2010 until 2016-17. It's when the GD6 came out of the Toyota. So yeah, those buggies, I remember my grandfather having one. It was 2015 model Dakar Toyota Hilux. Top class, guys. It was top class. Even though he passed on, but hey, the car's still running. Rest in peace to the grandfather, man. Rest in peace. Go strong. Hey, Datsun. Easy. Let them figure out. It's a woman driving it. She understands. She understands. Wow. Hey, she's looking beautiful though. Won't lie. Just a compliment. So I look at this one, guys. Something easy, something just to smile. You understand, guys? One thing I want to learn you guys today is when you see someone else winning in life, congratulate that person, give that person a shout out, guys, because having a bad heart is just gonna stop you. Because tomorrow when you win, you the person having the bad heart, you would want to expect the same energy coming from other people to show you love, to congratulate you. So show them to other people as well, man. Yeah, we're having a bit of a sour, lekker. Bit of a sour, water splashing on us. And that's how the rich people live. Whole lot TSI. Whole lot TSI. Oh man, I really love what I'm doing, guys. Like walking in the streets, reviewing these cars that are passing by and whatsoever. I mean, they tried to stop me. I won't stop mentioning this. Like each and every car company in the city of Kimberley tried to stop your boy. But I guess what, guys? Whenever they click, they would realize like, yo, but you made a mistake, man. Suzuki Franks, guys. Suzuki Franks. Which one is this one? I think this is like the newer SUVs of the Ford. It's looking nice. Sounds nice when it's driving past. You can hear, like, you know, it's an expensive car, it's a top class, it's a top spec. I mean, so turn around, guys, turn around. This one wants to come and greet us. Look, I was gonna come over a speed bump. Easy, lekker. Big shout out, big shout out, big shout out. No. So basically, guys, what just happened, I don't know if I recorded it, but this guy that just came at the back of me, he thought that I'm taking videos of people's houses, and I explained to him, he take a photo of me and whatsoever. I even took off my cap, and I faced him like, no car company in Kimberley wants to give me an opportunity. Nobody's gonna stop me. You can come with what car, you can show me even what, you have millions in your account, you can be a white man, you can be a black man, I don't care. I'm gonna review cars, guys, and that's what I'm gonna do.
So yeah, guys, I just wanna tell you guys that in life, definitely there will be some people that's gonna try to break it down, because seeing that I'm doing something positive towards my viewers that's gonna see this video, guys. So yeah, guys, just show me love, keep on supporting me, guys, and I will be going harder each and every time, guys. Don't forget the name Black Boy Winning. We all are winners at the end of the day. So we leave everything in God's hand, guys. Thank you. Keep on liking, subscribe, and add your comment, because it really matters. Because your opinion matters as well. Thank you, guys. Much love. Peace.